Welcome back to RVenture Life. Today, we're taking a look at a compact Class B camper van that's packed with features and smart upgrades. This is a 2023 Travato 59G built on the Ram ProMaster chassis and powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower. It also features a 180-amp alternator, making it a capable and efficient platform for life on the road. This particular coach has received several owner upgrades. Up front, you'll notice the added brush guard and auxiliary driving lights. The exterior was wrapped to help protect the original paint finish, and it rides on aggressive BF Goodrich tires that add extra confidence when venturing onto rougher terrain. Starting our exterior tour, you'll find a 220-watt solar panel mounted on the roof along with a 13,500 BTU air conditioning unit. Utility connections are conveniently located, including the 30-amp shore power hookup, propane fill, and dump hose storage compartment. Moving toward the rear, you'll find the generator exhaust and access to the gray and black tank dump system. This coach features an 11-gallon black tank, a 14-gallon gray tank, and a 24-gallon fuel tank. At the back, there are even more useful additions. A rear-mounted spare tire carrier provides extra peace of mind, while a storage box offers room for gear and accessories. Down below, you'll find a factory-installed 3,500-pound tow hitch. Opening the rear doors reveals one of the most versatile areas of this van. Built-in insulated shades help block light and improve privacy. You'll also find the outdoor shower connection and a clearly labeled water management system that makes setup and winterization simple. There is additional storage in the rear compartment, and the large cargo area provides room for bikes, camping gear, and other equipment. A roll-up screen allows fresh air inside while helping keep bugs out. There are also small storage compartments throughout the rear area, making excellent use of every available inch. One clever feature is the removable support poles that can be attached outside the rear doors. These can be used for drying clothes or even creating a private outdoor shower area. On the passenger side, you'll find a power awning equipped with integrated LED lighting and a motion sensor that automatically retracts the awning if strong winds are detected. Exterior power outlets, a coax connection, a 12-volt outlet, and an external solar port provide added flexibility while camping. Stepping inside, you'll immediately appreciate the efficient use of space. The rear sleeping area converts into a bed measuring approximately 49 by 77 inches. While compact, it comfortably accommodates 2 adults and features a supportive slat system along with a built-in step for easier access. Adjacent to the bed is the wet bath. Measuring roughly 28 by 51 inches, it includes a toilet, sink, shower, mirror, and dedicated storage. Unlike some compact camper vans, the sink is separate from the shower area, making the space more practical for daily use. Storage is a major strength of this floor plan. Multiple organizers, shoe compartments, cabinets, and hidden storage spaces are located throughout the coach. Under one compartment, you'll find upgraded lithium battery power. This van now features 2 250-amp-hour lithium batteries, providing significantly improved off-grid capability. Nearby, a convenient fold-down tray creates a charging station for phones and other devices, using available 12-volt and 110-volt outlets. The galley kitchen includes a 2-burner cooktop, water filtration system, storage drawers, and overhead cabinets. The Eco Hot Water system helps deliver hot water quickly while minimizing water waste, making it especially useful during extended camping trips. The refrigerator is surprisingly spacious for a camper van of this size. It operates on a 12-volt compressor system and includes a separate lower compartment for additional cold storage. A microwave is also included for quick meal preparation. Above, a roof fan helps improve airflow throughout the coach. Additional storage cabinets can be configured with shelves or converted into hanging wardrobe space depending on your needs. Entertainment features include a swivel-mounted television that can be viewed from either the front seating area or the rear bed. The van also includes a sound bar and additional storage compartments overhead. The lounge area offers comfortable seating and a removable table that can be repositioned depending on how the space is being used. USB ports, power outlets, and device mounting systems help keep everything organized while traveling or working remotely. Above the entry area, you'll find the main control center. From here, you can monitor tank levels, battery status, propane levels, water systems, and generator functions. The onboard generator has extremely low usage and operates very quietly. The Truma system provides both on-demand hot water and interior heating through an easy-to-use touchscreen interface. The kitchen area also features premium solid surface countertops, a large sink, and additional storage. Nearby, the solar controller allows you to monitor incoming solar power. Up front, the modern ProMaster cockpit includes a large infotainment display with navigation, media controls, smartphone connectivity, and vehicle settings. A digital rear-view mirror provides excellent visibility behind the van, while integrated window shades help improve privacy and comfort. Drivers will also appreciate the digital instrument cluster, push-button parking brake, battery boost function, cruise controls, multiple charging ports, wireless phone charging, and comfortable rotating captain's chairs. Overall, this 2023 Travato 59G delivers an impressive combination of mobility, storage, off-grid capability, and everyday comfort. It's compact enough to drive almost anywhere, yet equipped with the features needed for extended adventures. Thanks for watching RVenture Life. If you enjoy detailed RV tours like this one, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more incredible RV walkthroughs.